Hi, I'm Madan Mohan. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we create a single page website using WordPress. I'm on my website now. You can see I'm on the home page and I hosted this website on the local host. And if you observe, there are no links on the top. See, I'm talking about single page website. That means a website will have only one page with multiple sections like this. Now what we need to do is we need to add links on the top, and those links has to be pointed to individual sections which are there on this home page. Right now, let me go to the dashboard. Now we are on the dashboard. See here, let me open the page first. There is a page. Here I have used Elementor to design this page. Right, Elementor is a page builder which can help us to design the web page. So in case you are not familiar with Elementor, please check my previous video. Tutorial is available in the previous video. Please check that one first and come back here. Now let me click on this. Now we are on the Elementor dashboard of this page. What you need to do is you need to give IDs for individual sections. How can we add an ID? Let's say this is the second section. Just hover on it, click on these dots. Now on the left side, let's go to Advanced tab. Here you have an option called CSS ID. So this is the place where you need to assign an ID. A ID should be unique. As you have multiple sections here, you should provide unique name to individual sections, right? So in this section, I am going to give t-shirt as an ID. Like this, for which section you want to point user to, simply select those sections, navigate to Advanced tab and provide one more name here. Featured product is the ID that I am giving for this section. Now there is a call to action. Scroll down further. Most loved products. And let's click on this. Navigate here. Provide. Simply whatever the name that you wanna provide, you can give it here. There is no specifications, but make sure you provide unique names to individual sections. Now here you can say it's a testimonial. Select the section and testimonials and click on update. Now we have IDs for individual sections. Then let's click on this, go to the dashboard. Now we need to create a menu and add links to it. Let me go to the dashboard. And you under appearance you have an option called menus. Click on it. Here you can add menu links. What are the links that you want to provide here on the top? Those links can be added here. So on the left side, just go to custom links. Here you can add link text and the respective URL. Now this is the section where user has to navigate. If you want to give link to this page, this one also, the first section also as a home, you can give one more ID to this. Just select the first section here, just navigate to Advanced tab, provide home as a ID for this. Click on update. Now let's go here. As you have provided home, hash home. In the URL, you should provide hash mark and ID name next to it. And link text is something that user will see. Just provide it as a name. Click on add to menu. Now home got added. See this, don't forget to click on this one. You might have different names here based on the theme that you use. I have primary menu and footer menu. You might see other names like top menu or primary menu, you should supposed to pick the primary or a top menu. Why? Because we are going to add links on the top. Just click on save menu, go here, refresh. Now you can see home got added. Just like this, you should supposed to add other links as well. Let's go back here. And what is the ID that we have provided? T-shirts, right? Let's check the ID for the second section. T-shirt is a ID. Copy this ID, go here, custom links, provide hash with t-shirts, and add this. Here, whatever the name that you want to give, you can give. Okay, but make sure the spellings are also correct. Here you should supposed to provide whatever the ID that you have given here. It should be exactly same. This name can be changed. Click on add to menu, save. Now let's go to home, refresh, go to the top. See here, t-shirts got added. Click on it. This has navigated to this section, right? Now what is the next section? Featured products. What's the ID that I have given to this? Featured products. Let's copy this, go here, hash, back to menu, save, refresh, go to the top, click on this, right? So this is the process. Now one more section we have at the bottom, most loved products. What is the ID that I have provided? Products. Like this, you can create how many sections that you want. You can create it, and you can provide individual IDs to those sections, and you can add the links like this. All right, click on add to menu and save menu. Now you can see one more link on the top that will be redirecting us to this product section. There's one more, I guess, is happy clients. Let's see which ID that I have provided here on the name of testimonials, and provide the ID. Add to menu, save. Now refresh testimonials. Like this, you can create single page website on WordPress.